Dino.
Hello YouTube, this is Dizu here, and with New Muffins 101, Rudy 77, and our special guest, Whitsis.
And today we're going to be racing horses on the
Not
DarkCraft
racing,
server.
just riding them because we don't have a
Okay,
race
so
track
let's
yet,
see
thanks
if
to you.
is this a good. Oh my goodness, this is a good horse. All right, sweet. Let's go.
Follow me. Dun, 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 dun,
This is
dun.
my personal horse. His name
Well,
My
is
now
horse
I feel
looks
slow.
awesome.
I feel very slow now. Thanks,
Whee.
guys. You're so nice. I feel so slow.
Okay, wait, where is wait, we need to find her first
I think
of all.
I'm clearly. She's
Right
right
here.
there.
Horse
Yeah.
battle.
Look at this, everybody. Yeah.
Run, flash attack!
Motor.
Whee.
Aw, I can't push
Nailed
that
it.
on.
Alright, let's go here.
Whee.
Funny part is, I don't have a video for
I
today,
know.
so this will probably be it.
I already have 2 videos up today. Okay, so guys, fun fact: if you hold W, Shift, and A, it will not
I'm
turn
dying.
you. It will not put you sideways. So yeah, look at this. It won't. But then when you go D, it'll do that. But as soon as you take off of W, it goes sideways. Or tab,
And
then
also
it goes sideways.
YouTube. Look at this. Okay, he may be standing on this, not clicking any buttons, and he hops. When he goes on his back legs, that's when you know it will work.
Like that, and then you go on it. Pew!
You see on his back legs, you hop on, and he hops like that. Or you can do this, like you jump, and it's kind of hard to do.
Okay, so.
So yeah, basically, we told her about I was dead.
She was dead. Almost. Yeah. So we're running around.
Basically,
this is my
what happened
reaction.
was, so she was following us around in a mine shaft, right? And, well, like, she was following us around for a while, then we went mining, she followed us, gave us all the loot that she mined, and then we told her about the YouTube channels, and then she asked if we could make a video with her. I asked her what she wanted to do, and she said ride horses.
So yeah, here we are riding horses.
And
with
also,
with
this
my
is
newly
my
enchanted
mansion that is
super
beautifully
OP
being
diamond
You
armor.
mentioned
Protection
it
1, unbreaking 3. I mean, protection 3, unbreaking 3, restoration 3.
usually have
My
way better armor
best
than
chest
yours.
plate. Crappy chest
I
plate.
have way
My best
better-
leggings. Crappy leggings. And
This
my
is
best
my
pants.
armor right now,
not
though.
pants,
It's
boots.
kind of crappy because I have
And, yeah,
better
that
armor,
thing.
but I need to add a breaking to some of them.
Alright,
Never mind, Whitsis here.
okay. Whitsis is awesome, everybody. Whitsis is awesome.
Yeah, she's awesome.
Everyone
Totally not a stalker. Well, just him.
is
We're coming to get you, Whitsis.
So yeah, basically we're gonna be doing this for the next like 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Horses!
Horses!
We. Oh no! Who punched your horse?
Oh man. Who punched the horse?
Yay.
You now have 26 more subscribers than Dizzy. Wait. You have 26 more subscribers than me, Dizzy. Oh yeah. Where does she keep going? This is her YouTube video. Well, not really, but she just like runs away.
Alright, so. Everybody. Let's punch the ground. Okay, so.
Oh, that did so much damage.
Let's do something else now?
Oh, I think we got some leg.
Like
Push the
eating bacon. Because every...
Oh wow, look at that leg. I'm drifting. Bacon sucks, YouTube. It's true fact.
If you're a Baconator hater, unsubscribe to Rouge right now, even though nobody is subscribed to him. I mean, if you're a Baconator
Did
lover,
your
not hater.
horse
Oh,
die?
someone hit me.
Wits. I need to put my horse back because he needs to regen.
Well, if you put hay under their feet, then they can. Oh,
Yeah,
you
they're staying
did.
here.
Alright,
Now you.
come here. I'm
Well,
backing up.
Charles is right here. This is her horse. For some reason, she's not using
No,
it.
her horse is Winter.
I thought she got Charles as her horse.
I think
Okay,
I
is
got
everybody
Storm.
gonna stop recording? Because I'm done.
Alright,
Thank you, YouTube. And remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.
but not on Rouge's videos. So is this like something? Well, we aren't really clear because I'm still recording. Whoa! Whoa! Look at guys! Did you see that? It's like, whoa! Super jump!
Is it lagging for you?
Yo, guys, I'm gonna go upload it now.
Which
Just because I
one?
want to.
To
And I feel
do
like it.
something else.
Okay, I only got 2 more videos
Alright,
uploaded.
okay. Okay. Guys, I am now like in 3 seconds. 1, 2,